We have in our school two curriculum. One is ABC, one is academic curriculum. Now, under this ABC curriculum, we train children for AI robotics, for French, for dance, music, art, etc. My girls team, football, they have participated in nationals.
ছেলের মা
মা তো আমারও বিয়ে দেখবে না নাকি?
ভাইয়ের কপালে দিলাম ফোঁটা, জম দুয়ারে পড়লো কাটা, যমুনা দেয় জমকে ফোঁটা, আমি দিই আমার ভাইকে ফোঁটা। আমাকে ফোঁটা দেবে না মা? ভাই ফোঁটা না বোন ফোঁটা?
দুটোই। আরে এবার একটা ক্লাসিক্যাল হোক না।
আরে ক্লাসিক্যাল তো বুঝলাম, কিন্তু কি ভরতনাট্যম, কত্থক, ওড়িশি? ও ওয়েস্টার্ন।
কেন, এটা ক্লাসিক্যাল না?
নিশ্চয়ই।
ভেঙে গড়ে সবাই সবার মতো করে আমাদের বাঙালিয়ানা, বাংলার খাঁটি সোনা।
एक्सक्लूसिव ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन डीटीसी लंदन द्वारा बेस्ट शोरूम अवार्ड विनर आरआर अग्रवाल ज्वेलर्स, कोलकाता जयपुर के बाद अब रौरकेला में भी आरआर अग्रवाल ज्वेलर्स, रिश्ता भरोसे का।
दोस्तों, अगर उत्तर 24 परगना में स्कूलों की अगर बात आती है या स्कूलों की रैंकिंग की अगर बात आती है तो सबसे पहला नाम आता है सेंट अगस्टिन्स डे स्कूल का। जी हाँ, वे नंबर 1 पर हैं। शायद गुणवत्तापूर्ण शिक्षा की वजह से या शायद नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी को सुचारू रूप से फॉलो करते हुए आ रहे हैं। और इस बारे में चर्चा करने के लिए आज हमारे बीच मौजूद हैं इसी स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल नन अदर देन श्वेता रे जी। मैडम, पहले तो हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Thank you so much.
मैडम, पहले ये पूछना चाहेंगे कि आज के समाज में गुणवत्तापूर्ण शिक्षा की कितनी मतलब उपयोगिता है, या गुणवत्तापूर्ण शिक्षा को लेकर आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं मैम?
Education is something which is beyond classroom. That is what we follow and we believe. And NEP 2020 is enforcing that more, and we are trying to follow that in our school. And for that we follow ABC curriculum, activity-based curriculum, where we felicitate children. We have in our school two curriculum. One is ABC, one is academic curriculum. Now, under this ABC curriculum, we train children for AI robotics, for French, for dance, music, art, etc. And we do a separate prize day and report card for that. On that prize day, we felicitate children. Maybe the child knows French very well, or maybe doing dancing very well, or maybe doing art very well. So these all children are being felicitated on that day. Apart from that, as every other school does, we do our academic curriculum, and there again we focus more on learning by doing, like experiential learning. Lot of practicals are being done right from the primary classes, which is a part of ADP also. And you know the result of that, the best of the results we received this year, the ICSE and ISC result 2026. And the best performance, as you all know, ICSE and ISC 26 result, Noirid Basu received state rank 1 and all India rank 2. This is ICSE. And ISC 2026, Oishi Sengupta received 99.5% with all India rank 3 and state rank also 3. So as we are focusing in activities, we are equally focusing in academics, and our average is above 85%. So this is how we are achieving success for every child, which is the motto of our school.
मैम, नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी को 2020 में लागू किया गया था। आज 2026 में हम सभी मौजूद हैं, क्या कुछ बदलाव देखने को मिला है?
Badlav, as I said, that now things are more learning by doing. It's not rote learning. Yaad kar liya and then I write in the examination. It's not like that. And similarly, the question paper pattern of boards are also changing. Class 10, class 12 board question paper, you will see lot of questions are thought-provoking question. It's not that 10 questions हमने याद कर लिया and we go and write that. We just mug up and we write in the examination. It is all about thinking there in the examination hall. So we are preparing children right from the junior classes. We are giving them lot of that kind of question, practicing that in the class. So that is how we are implementing NEP. And to focus on, you will see in our school, even a humanities student can take computer and mathematics. A commerce student can take mathematics and computer, which NEP is saying that don't focus on a stream or on a particular subject. Any child can take any subject. So in our 11 and 12, we offer 22 subjects. So wide range of subjects are there which children can study at ISC level in our school.
आपके स्कूल की अब तक की सबसे बड़ी उपलब्धि क्या रही है मैम?
In terms of achievement, I have varied achievement in our school. Like as children are doing well in ASISC literary activities, Frank Anthony literary activities, they are doing very well in National Games and Sports also, CISC. Our children have received award in SGFI also. They are participating in chess, badminton, swimming, taekwondo. Savate, my student have got into international award also they have received. So as games and sports our children are doing, and the highlight, one more thing I can say, my girls team football, they have participated in nationals, because generally people think football is for boys, but in our school we have our own girls team for right from primary classes, one for primary, one for middle school, one for senior school. So I have 3 different teams, and all these girls are trained within the campus by our own teacher and external coach also. So this is, and of course, as I said, the board results are the highest achievement of our school. I have 3 state rankers, as I said. Noirit, of course, 1, and there are 3 more in the state rank.
आज अगर बच्चों को देखा जाए तो मतलब बच्चे मोबाइल एडिक्टेड होते जा रहे हैं, तो इस समस्या से किस तरह से निजात पाया जा सकता है?
इसी समस्या से निजात पाने के लिए दिस ABC करिकुलम हैज़ बीन इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. अगर बच्चे पढ़ाई, क्योंकि पढ़ाई इट्स फाइन, एवरी चाइल्ड विल बी डूइंग, बट इफ अ चाइल्ड इज गिवन अनदर हॉबी ऑफ मे बी डूइंग computer programming, the child can learn. The child can learn of dance, music, art, chess, football, cricket. I told you so many things. Anything beyond academics, if a hobby is developed, children will not be glued to mobile. So that is the responsibility of schools and of course parents to encourage children to do one more hobby. I am not saying that a child who is doing football today, tomorrow will be a Baichung Bhutia, but they will be physically strong. They will be mentally strong, and we will have better human in the society, and our India will develop. So that's how this ABC curriculum is helping our children for overall development.
आपके स्कूल का मिशन और विजन क्या है?
Vision, we are preparing our children to be global citizen. We are preparing them all round excellence so that globally they are accepted. And we are trying success for every child so that जो बच्चा पढ़ाई में अच्छा है वो पढ़ाई लेके आगे बढ़ेगा, जो बच्चा बाकी एक्टिविटीज़ में अच्छा है वो बाकी एक्टिविटीज़. सो वी आर गिविंग देम ऑल प्लेटफॉर्म, वॉट एवर दे आर गुड एट, वी आर जस्ट गिविंग द प्लेटफॉर्म. दैट इज़ आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. सो वी आर इंश्योरिंग सक्सेस फॉर एवरी चाइल्ड.
इस वक्त हमारे चैनल के माध्यम से जितने भी दर्शक आपको देख रहे हैं या सुन रहे हैं, उनके उद्देश्य में स्कूल को लेकर आप क्या संदेश देना चाहती हैं मैम?
Parents, I will address the parents more. I will request the parents 2 things. 1, make sure at the younger level children are not using mobile at all. When they are growing little bit, if you are giving them, because this is the age, digital age, if you are giving, make sure parental monitoring is there, and their minimum use should be there. They should not be addicted. They should know how to utilize the digital platform. And the second thing, apart from study, please encourage them to have a hobby. It can be any gaming activity, it can be games, sports, art and craft, it can be debating, it can be MUN, any activity activity, encourage them to take part. That will make them, that will give them an overall development to the child, and that will really make them successful. And remember, parents, do not measure the success of a child by the marks the child is getting, by the award the child is receiving. Measure the success of the child by how happy the child is. Measure that with the happiness of the child. So if at the end of the day, if the child says, I am happy, then you are successful and we are also successful.
तो दोस्तों ये थी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो इस चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। फिर मिलते हैं अगले किसी वीडियो में। मैडम, हमसे बातचीत करने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
Thank you so much.
ताज़ा समाचार के पाठकों के लिए मेरी तरफ से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
নমস্কার, আমি ঋতুপর্ণা সেনগুপ্তা। 24/7 তাজা সমাচারের জন্য রইল আমার অনেক অনেক শুভেচ্ছা, ভালোবাসা। অল দি বেস্ট।
24/7 তাজা সমাচারের সকল দর্শকদেরকে আমার পক্ষ থেকে অনেক অনেক শুভেচ্ছা।
एक्सक्लूसिव ज्वेलरी कलेक्शन DTC लंदन द्वारा बेस्ट शोरूम अवार्ड विनर RR अग्रवाल ज्वेलर्स, कोलकाता जयपुर के बाद अब रौरकेला में भी RR अग्रवाल ज्वेलर्स, रिश्ता भरोसे का।